Let's review now two-step equations. And number one says solve each equation, check your solution. The first one, 4y plus 1 equals 13. I have to find y. So since I have, in this case, I have to undo the addition and subtraction first, I'm going to do this addition, 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 in both sides. I'm going to make the line, horizontal line, and start adding or subtracting. The left side is going to be 4y. This is going to be 0. So 4y equals 13 minus 1 is 12. Now, since the 4 is multiplying the y, I need to divide by 4. Divide by 4 both sides. This is 1, and y equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. For number 2, is similar. We're going to find k in this way. Negative 3 equals 5k plus 7. So in this side where the variable is, I'm going to undo the additions and subtractions. I have an addition here, plus 7, so I'm going to subtract 7, both sides, subtract 7. Negative 7 minus, negative 3 minus 7 is going to be negative 10 equals, this goes away, 5k. Now the k is being multiplied by 5, so I have to divide it by 5 both sides. So this is 1, or cancel out, and my k is going to be negative 10 divided by 5 is going to be negative 2. This is for the next problem. In number 3, we have negative 9r plus 12 equals negative 24. So I'll make the line again. And I'm going to get rid of the 12 that is positive. I'm going to subtract 12 both sides. Okay, this goes away, and I have negative 9r equals negative 24 minus 12 is negative 36. Now my negative 9 is multiplying the r. I'm going to divide by negative 9 both sides, and I have this goes away, this goes away. R is going to be negative 36 over negative 9. That is going to be positive 4. Okay, there you go. The next, number 4, 49 equals 16 plus 3y. Make the vertical line. I get rid of the 16 by subtracting 16, subtracting 16. Okay, so I'm going to do line 49 minus 16 is 33. This goes away, and 33 equals 3y. If I divide now by 3, because the 3 is multiplying, I'm going to divide by 3 both sides. This go away, and y equals 33 divided by 3 is 11. So this is going to be my next answer. Let's go to number 5. Negative 3 plus 6 equals 0. Then I'm going to get rid of the 6 by subtracting 6 both sides. This goes away, and I have negative 3t equals negative 6. Now the negative 3 is multiplying the t, so I'm going to divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. This goes away with this one, cancel, and I have t alone equals negative 6 over negative 3. And this is positive 2. T equals positive 2. And in the last one, I have 3/4 of f plus 5 equals negative 5. Same thing, do the vertical line. I'm going to get rid of, in this side where the variable is, get rid of the 5 by subtracting 5. Subtracting 5. So this goes away, and 3/4 of f equals negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the 3/4 by multiplying by the reciprocal, 4 over 3. Both sides, 4 over 3. And the purpose of this is to cancel this out. Cancel this out, eliminate the numbers here, and f equals negative 10 times 4 divided by 3. Negative 10 times 4 is negative 40 divided by 3, and 40 divided by 3 is 1333. Negative 13, 3 repeating.